So if you're here, you're having issues with your Samsung dryer, what's going on with my dryer is the drum is very difficult to turn, and when it has power and everything, it starts right up. Everything appears normal on the digital display, but the drum itself doesn't turn. So I watched a few other videos and stuff about troubleshooting it. As you can see, I took this top cover off. The belt itself is good. It's nice and tight. I looked underneath the back. Here you have to pull the exhaust tube out. Show you in here real quick. And you can see that the belt is on the pulley. The spring is intact. Everything appears visually good. The wheel up there in the top right corner, the blue wheel, that functions normally. So I was kind of perplexed as to what was going on. And since I opened this up, I also vacuumed it for obvious reasons, just for fire hazard and safety and whatnot. But anyway, so all the obvious, the first issues that you want to look at, I did that. I got the top cover off, the display, took the door panel off. So that was a total of 10 screws. I'm not going to get into breaking down the dryer. You can watch that on a different video. But what I did want to show you was, if you're having issues still, if everything looks good, I thought, okay, I'm going to come here and I'm going to clean out the vent for the lint trap. So that's three screws. Take those out real quick. There's one on the right, and there's two over here. Only one over here. And these are Phillips head. And what you can do is pull down on this whole piece, and it slides right down. You'll see it sliding right down, just like that. And lo and behold, what did I find in here but a washcloth that is literally wedged in the fan motor, the exhaust fan motor, which runs in tandem with the drum. So if that can't spin, the drum isn't going to spin either, or it's going to be very difficult to spin because this is creating resistance in here. So obviously I got to pull this out. It's wedged in there really good. Okay, so I got that out, and now look at, spins freely. Look at the drum. Drum moves as it should. You hear it? So anyway, make sure you check that, because on my dryer, that was the issue. I'm going to reassemble it, and I don't anticipate any issues thereafter, because that was the culprit. And you can see that the drum spins nice and easy now. Let's look at the belt. Belt is fine. You can see that the belt is snug. It's not loose. As I turn the drum, the belt turns with it, as it should. I'm gonna go around the back just to show you too. You can kind of see how it operates. So there you have it. I hope this helps a lot of people, because I didn't find this solution. I kind of had to find it on my own, just through some poking and prodding. Anyway, take care. Leave a like, leave a comment if this helped.